Okay, my name is Keegan Lee, Uni KKL2135. Let's get started on the video for homework 4. First off, just to show that the error checking works, I'll put in this. I'll put in no number of reams. It'll say you need to put in a number of reams. If I put this, it says you need to enter a client name. If I put a random string here, instead of a number, it says I need to put a valid number. Okay, yeah, and to go to the autocomplete, as you can see here, Shake Shack is already an entry. I put in SH, it'll drop down there. I can click that and it fills it in for me. I'll give it a number, I press submit, and it adds it to here. Alternatively, I can give it my own name and enter that, and it adds it there as well. And then even though I put in my own name, it should also autocomplete to that. Let's say I put EWF. Yeah, I can select that as an option for autocomplete. I can also get rid of these by dragging them into the trash zone or pressing the delete button. And yeah, that should be all the functionality. Now go into the code. Okay, yeah, code-wise, I just had to re-record this section because earlier the audio went weird. But essentially, the code-wise, the biggest parts for this homework was the error checking in here, making sure that this is a correct string, and this is a correct string, and also a correct integer. And the other biggest thing was being able to move this into the drop zone. And that's all done here. Basically, when it's droppable, we add the appropriate functions. And yes, the autocomplete. Essentially, how the autocomplete works is that I have a list of names here, and when I'm searching in here, I put in some sort of string. It parses through the list of names, and it sees if I have one that matches the input or something that starts with whatever I put in the input. And when I put in a special name, one of my choosing, it appends this to the bottom of the list that I currently have. And the next time I do an autocomplete, it looks through the same list as earlier. However, this list is newer because it incorporated this section. So it always updates itself that way.